Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to split one column into two. Okay, here you will see I have this column, a column. Okay, and I want to split into two. Okay, here in this column I have written first name and second last name also. Okay, so I have splitted the names with comma. Okay, so if I want to split this I want to make this one column into two, first name in here and last name here. So I have to use this function, okay, which I have in the Excel. So how to do it? Here first you have to select the column which you want to split. Then here you will see data option, just click on this data option, and here you will see text to column function. Okay, click on it. Then here you will see all the names. Okay, then here you will see delimited. Okay, just click on delimited. Okay, next. Then here you will see you have to just choose by which you have splitted the first and last name. Okay, so I have splitted it with comma, so you have to just select comma. Okay, then again click on next. Now here you have to choose the destination. Okay, so now click on it, and then you have to choose the destination like this. Okay, now click on enter, then again click on finish. Okay, now there is already data here, click on ok. So like this you can split one column into two. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.